We are about to disclose facts that will change the way you understand weight loss, weight management, and why they fail. So you say, oh, here's one of those full of promises products again, or another sounds too good to be true fat loss system. But what have you got to really lose by sitting through the facts, except maybe that extra inch or two? Knowing is the first step to action. And let us assure you that what we will show you at the end of this video is that this is not a drug, not a diet drink, not an add-on fiber mix, and not this pill nor that pill you hear about out there in the market today. What you don't know is you suffer from side effects you really don't need to go through, like palpitations, excessive sweating, sleeplessness, sugar craving, oily stools, irritated bowels, dehydration, constipation, lightheadedness, and so much more. Regardless of what you have been made to believe, the only way you can effectively lose weight is when you burn more than what you eat. You start to think, certainly, no problem, eat as much as you want. That is, if you know exactly how many hours of excruciating workouts you need to do to burn them. For example, 10 potato chips is about 250 calories, and you need to do 30 minutes non-stop pedaling on a stationary bike. What about a cup of rice that's around 205 calories, plus a piece of fried chicken that will make your simple lunch go up to 450 calories? You eat that simple lunch and you'll need an hour on the bike to turn the counter back to zero. So if you're on a 2,000 calorie diet, you better have at least a spare 3 hours to burn what you have taken in. The problem is, most of us don't even have 30 minutes to brisk walk, let alone 3 hours to exercise. So where does the excess unburned calories go? You get the idea? What you actually need to get out of is the urge to overeat. You do this by suppressing your appetite. Now, to a very few, this is manageable. But for the rest of us, crave control is almost impossible. The moment you start to resist and control, you set yourself in a mental and emotional state which gives you the feeling of deprivation. Your unconscious thoughts damages your mental focus to lose weight and you give up the pursuit. Do you know why? Because we interpret cravings as hunger. Hunger is a body signal to take in food, while appetite is an instinctive physical desire to eat and drink regardless. Did you know that stress eating is eating for comfort? And when you answer a compulsion to eat at specified times, like while watching a movie or television, it's called conditioned response eating. You see a barrage of weight management products out there that maybe can help solve these calorie burning and appetite control problems. There are a lot of these products, but you just don't know which one of the side effects you would rather choose to suffer. Global Fusion Incorporated presents Lean and Fab, the revolutionary weight management product that solves not one, not two, but 5 of your weight loss problems, but without those unwanted side effects. Lean and Fab is the only dietary supplement available which harnesses natural U.S. patented ingredients. It performs 6 synergistic and simultaneous actions in the body no current product in the market can claim to provide. Through its 4 multi-awarded natural ingredients, Lean and Fab is a safe, natural, and effective weight management product that safely suppresses appetite, breaks down fat, burns fat, increases lean body mass, blocks extra calorie absorption, and increases the bioavailability of nutrients for better absorption in the body. Lean and Fab is the only highly documented, multi-patented, multi-awarded weight management supplement available in the market today.
When I started working in the call center industry, I experienced what they call the yo-yo effect. I gained a few pounds and then I lost them, gained double and then I lost them again.
Kumbaga na-mess up na yung metabolism ko. Ito grabe na talaga. that's when I packed the pounds. Maabot ako ng 200, 200 plus. So, hirap talaga mag-lose ng weight.
I myself was very surprised when I took my BMI, my body mass index, and found out that I was overweight. And actually, I was near obesity.
I have never tried anything like this before. Lean and Fab has helped me lose 10 pounds in just a couple of weeks, and without exercise, without dramatically changing my diet.
Pero ever since taking Lean and Fab, in 2 weeks, I lost 7 pounds and 2 inches off my waist.
What really made me happy about Lean and Fab is clothes that I haven't worn in the past 3-4 years. I get to fit in them again.
I used it for 15 days. I used the bottle, and I got surprised when I weighed in. I used to weigh 185. The last time I weighed in, I was at 178, which meant I lost 7 pounds in 2 weeks.
I've tried it and I'm so excited because it's so safe. There are no adverse effects of any kind that I've felt.
Sabi nila, Siki, parang you've lost some weight. Sabi ko, talaga? Kasi dun ko lang malalaman eh. Dun sa sasabihin ng ibang tao sa akin.
Think about this. If I lost 4 kilos and 2 inches off my waistline in 2 weeks, imagine how much I would lose and how I would look in a couple of months. I'm very excited for that. That's going to be a whole new Roxy. It's a Roxy you've never seen before. And that's all going to be thanks to Lean and Fab.
I'm very excited not just to use the product, I'm very excited to market this product. Knowing that there's a very big market for it, knowing that a lot of people not just want to lose weight, but a lot of people need to lose weight already. Almost 35% of the whole world is either obese or overweight. The sad thing is 20% of the people don't know they're overweight or obese. They're practically in the dark about them catching a host of illnesses and diseases.
So, anong impact nito? Pagdating sa business side, yung pagpasok ng Lean and Fab sa GFI, nakikita ko it completes the loop eh. Kasi meron na tayong health and wellness, meron ng beauty and skincare, and weight management, it's a big market eh, not just here in the Philippines, but globally as well.
The US FDA patented ingredients have never been encountered before by the Philippine market. These are 4 ingredients that on their own are effective enough for you to lose weight. But to combine all 4, that's a different story. This product will puncture the market. This product will not only puncture the market, but it will conquer the weight management scene.
And I'm sure, pag mas maraming tao yung nakagamit itong product na to, mabilis sisikat to. And kapag tong Lean and Fab sumikat, kasabay na yun ang pagsabog ng Global Fusion.
This will take the whole world by storm.
There's nothing like Lean and Fab out there in the market, and I am confident to say, as early as now, that Lean and Fab will be the #1 weight loss and weight management product, not just here in the Philippines, but all over the world.
Get the firm, shapely, and lean body you deserve without going on a hunger strike or hunching over your workout routines for months. Say goodbye to deprivation. Get the natural feeling of fullness and satisfaction you'll know when your body has had its fill naturally. Block additional fat formation as you continue to break and burn fat in your body. Lean and Fab. With Lean and Fab, say goodbye to hunger pangs as you breeze through your day without the torture of food deprivation. Say goodbye to backsliding, torturous workouts, recurring fat buildup, and sagging muscles. Now, say hello to a slim, trim, and lean body. With Lean and Fab, get used to the compliments and head-turning stares and glances while you stay happy and stay healthy. Lean and Fab works at its best with sensible diet and exercise. Lean and Fab is available exclusively through Global Fusion marketers and distributors.